Welcome to another episode of Local Fish, Local Flavors. Today, we're going to be making grilled rainbow trout with apricot salsa. To make this dish, our first mission was to find our main ingredient, rainbow trout, and that meant a road trip to a local farm to purchase a couple of live fish. When picking up from the farm, it's always a good idea to take a cooler and ice for the trip home. When buying fillets from the market, make sure they have their skin on. Now it's time to prep. Prepare 1 cup of diced apricots, ½ cup diced avocado, 3/4 cup diced fresh pineapple, 1/4 cup diced red bell pepper, 1 1/4 tablespoon fresh lime juice. Place all of your ingredients in a mixing bowl and stir gently. Now we're going to season our salsa. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon finely chopped fresh cilantro leaves and ground pepper to taste. Gently stir and chill for 1 hour. Next, add 6 tablespoons of olive oil to 1/2 cup chopped cilantro and stir. Place your fillets skin side down on a clean surface and cover with your olive oil and cilantro mixture. I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to be really generous and slather the fillets. Set your fillets aside and start your grill. When your grill is ready, place your fillets skin side down on an oiled grilling plate or directly on the grate over indirect heat. Cover and wait 4 to 6 minutes or until your fillets are done. When trout is done, it will be opaque in color and the muscle segments will easily separate when you apply a little pressure. Remove fillets from the grill, top with your apricot salsa, and serve immediately. You can find this recipe and others on the eatmidwestfish.org website. Happy grilling! We hope to see you soon.